Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet flower and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential yarn and hook number 2.5mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot, then make 8 chains and close with slip stitch to make a ring. Then I will make 5 chains as shown now and make double crochet into the ring. And make a chain, then make double crochet again into the ring and repeat that 14 times. Then join a light blue yarn and close with a slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 2. I will make a chain and make 2 single crochet into every space across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I will come back. I will start round 3. I will make a chain and make single crochet into next 2 stitches as shown now. Then make 6 chains and make treble crochet stitch into next 2 stitches as shown now. Then make another 6 chains. Then make single crochet stitch into next 4 stitches to finish that group. Then I will repeat that group 4 times again with the shape. So I will make single crochet as shown now into next 4 stitches and repeat 6 chains, then make treble crochet into next 2 stitches and make another 6 chains, then repeat with same sequences for another groups to have 5 groups for that flower. I will make them and close with slip stitch. I will make them and I'll come back. Now I will start round 4. I will make a chain and make single crochet into next 2 stitches. Then make 5 half double crochet into that space. With the shape, then make 4 double crochet into same space as shown now. Then make treble crochet above the treble crochet from the previous row as shown now. I will make treble crochet into next 2 stitches as shown now. Then make same thing, so I will make 4 double crochet into next space as shown now. Then make 5 half double crochet into the same space. Then make single crochet into next 4 stitches and repeat with same sequences across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will repeat with the same sequence for the other 4 groups, 4 petals, then close with slip stitch but with the dark blue yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 5. I will make a chain with the dark blue yarn, then make single crochet into next 6 stitches as shown now. And make half double crochet into next 4 stitches. With the chain, then make 2 half double crochet between that 2 triple crochet from the previous row into the space between 2 triple crochet. I will make 2 half double crochet and 2 chains and 2 half double crochet again into same space as shown now. With the chain, then I will make half double crochet into next 4 stitches, then make single crochet into next 6 stitches, with the chain. Then I will skip next 4 stitches and repeat with the same sequences for the other 4 petals of the flower. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 6. I will make a chain and skip first single crochet, then make single crochet into next 8 stitches as shown now. Then make half double crochet into next 4 stitches. Until arrive to the space of 2 chains from the previous row. I will make half double crochet inside it, then make 3 chains and make half double crochet into same space as shown now. I made half double crochet and 3 chains, then I will make half double crochet again into same space as shown now with the shape. Then I will continue making with the same sequences, so I will make half double crochet into next 4 stitches as shown now. Then I will make single crochet into next 8 stitches and skip last single crochet, then repeat with the same sequences across the row for the next 4 petals, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that flower with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.